We're doing this video today to complement our complete guide to Biosan II when used in fogging applications. When using Biosan II in a fogging application, it's important to ensure that you get the correct dilutions. For a once-off heavy-duty fogging application, we'd normally dilute at 1:32. For a more regular fogging application, we'd dilute the Biosan II at 1:64. So to make the 1:64 dilution of Biosan II, we add the 16 ml of Biosan II concentrate into the 1 litre of clean water. Remove paper and cardboard from all surfaces, including walls and desks. We now add the 1:64 solution of Biosan II into the pot of the fogger and close it up, ready for use. Fog the area until surfaces are mist wet. Once fogging is complete, be sure to leave the area closed for at least 60 minutes to air dry.